do I have only women in my drawing room? You know, when people walk into my house, the first thing they look at and they say, hello, what is this? Is this a woman-oriented house? And they look pointedly at Vikas, and Vikas turns around and says, I have full faith in what is on the wall. And it's not because he's devoted to his wife, and I don't even know whether he is. If he is, that's great. But he actually sincerely loved both these paintings, and coincidentally, both of them are that of women. Went to a gallery in Singapore and saw this ghastly green background painting. But the woman on it, there was something very special about her, because she reminded me a lot of my own grandmother. My grandmother as in my mother's mother. And what was distinctive about her is that she had these flowers in her hair, and for me she was kind of a Bengali face, though I don't know whether Manjeet had anything to do with a Bengali as her muse when she did this painting. But my Dida, or my Nani as I used to fondly call her, always had these flowers on her hair. And strangely enough, my mother today wears flowers on her hair, and not only that, I wear a lot of flowers on my hair. So it was strange when I saw the painting and I got it home. The painting, the lady with the ghastly green background, I put it up on my wall or against my wall, and Vikas said, I will not have this painting. And strangely enough, 5 days later, he was the one who was ringing up the gallery and getting all the details, and he had fallen in love all over again. So the second woman came into his life, actually the third, because she's the third woman. And now we're going to get one more, who and what she is. So in a way, you can say Sharmila's got nothing to do with these beautiful paintings. It's all Vikas and his passion to get these women to the house, whichever way you look at it. Yeah, so Vijay Belgave's painting, which is one of the main paintings in my drawing room at the moment, I don't know how famous he is even till today. I think he has, over the years, his popularity has gained, but believe me, it was never my intention to buy him as an artist because of who he is or was. We were sitting at the President Hotel in Mumbai over a cup of coffee, my husband and I, and Vikas, while biting into his sandwich, just looked up and he said, my God, she's beautiful. And I turned around. I said he was probably talking about some woman who'd pass by, but it turned out to be the painting on the wall. And I said, yes, and that's it. And she came in, and for some strange reason, again, this is the similarity of paintings with my life. When people see my daughter Anjali at times, and they look at her face, and they look at the painting's face, and they say, is this Anjali? And I didn't realize it, but now when I see her as she's growing older, there is some resemblance of my own daughter in this beautiful painting by Belgave, and that's how he today retains this beautiful position in my drawing room and will continue to do so even if I have to shift drawing rooms. That's how it is.